Welcome. This is a 5-minute yoga class for better sleep. Let's begin on our knees, walking the hands forward, forehead or cheek to the mat for child's pose. Option to place a pillow between the hips and feet and underneath the torso for added height and support. Drawing the breath into the chest. As you exhale, softening the shoulders and the upper back, allowing the arms to be heavy. On your next exhale, begin to walk the hands towards your left. Drawing the breath into the right side body, expanding the right ribcage. As you exhale, softening the upper body, the shoulders, the arms. Inhale, walking the hands back to center. Exhale, walking them towards your right. Drawing the breath into the left side body this time, expanding the left ribcage. Exhale, sighing out any tension in the shoulders and the upper back. Inhale, come back to center, and we'll gently release, crossing the ankles, coming all the way down to our backs. Straightening the right leg, hugging the left knee towards the chest. Take a moment here. And when you're ready, you can plant that foot on the mat and allow the knee to fall open for a supine tree pose. Hands resting to your sides, palms facing up. Taking a moment here to observe the body. Notice where you're holding tension. Softening the groin, the outer hip. Softening the feet and the toes. On your next inhale, lifting the knee, hugging the knee towards the chest. On an exhale, crossing the left knee over towards your right for a supine twist. Creating space with your inhales. Completely letting go with your exhales, sighing out any tension in the upper body, the lower body. Inhale, release. We'll switch sides. Hugging the right knee towards the chest. Go ahead and allow that knee to fall open. Hands resting to your sides, palms facing up. And drawing the breath into the belly. As you exhale, softening the right leg, the groin, the outer hip. Softening the feet. Inhale, draw the knee back up. Hug it towards the chest. Take a moment here. Go ahead and cross the right knee over towards your left for a supine twist. Option to place a pillow underneath the right knee for added support. Back stays flat on the mat. Inhale, draw the knee back up. Hug the knees towards the chest. Grabbing the outer edges of the feet, opening the feet for happy baby pose. Option to rock side to side. Release, give yourself one last hug. And gently make your way up to seated. Inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.